allemaal en welkom bij een nieuwe vlog. Ik ga weer vloggen, want ik ga op vakantie naar Iceland. Nou, ik hoop dat ik op vakantie kan. Want, volgens mij zie je... Nee, wacht, dit is beter. Ik hoop dat ik op vakantie kan, want mijn vlucht is gecanceld. Oh my god, dat is door slechte weeromstandigheden. Dus ik heb nu een hotel gekregen. Ja, van Schiphol, van Transavia. Dus daar overnacht ik nu. Want ik heb morgenochtend een vlucht en ik moet al om 4 uur op Schiphol zijn. Dus het wordt een korte nacht. Maar ik heb echt een lekker bed gekregen. Wow, kijk hoe groot die is. Oh my god, helemaal hyped. En nog een ding, mijn enkel gebroken. Dus ik loop op krukken. Maar de dokter zei dat ik gewoon op vakantie kon gaan naar IJsland. Ik had gevraagd. En ik heb zo'n brace. Maar ja, dat is niet boeiend. Ik kan gewoon op vakantie, dus daar gaat het om. En ja, ik heb er super zin in. Ik ga naar Bartosz. Jongens, jullie kennen hem misschien van de Singapore vlogs. Hij is in de zomer van 2020 bij mij geweest. En ik bij hem in Krakau. En nu woont hij in IJsland. Dus ik ga naar hem toe. Ik heb er echt super veel zin in. Maar ja, ik hoop dat het door kan gaan. Ik loop al zo'n mank op krukken en zo. En het was ook niet zeker of het morgenochtend doorging. Dus ja, ik hoop het, Nu ga ik lekker naar de sauna. En dan ga ik slapen. Want ik moet heel vroeg opstaan om 3 uur 's nachts. Dus ik zie jullie morgenochtend. Doeg! Hey guys, I'm in Iceland. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Sorry, I'm going to switch in English. Yeah, I'm so happy and I'm with my, oh my god, my bestie Bartosz, and he lives in Iceland. And look the road, it's so empty, nobody lives here. I'm so excited. And now we're going to eat something because I'm hungry. And then we're going to the Golden Circle, so I can't wait to show you. God, I'm so excited! Bye! Okay guys, look how mooi. I'm talking half Dutch, half English. Even een touch-up gedaan. Looking pretty again. Van Kylie palet, fucking mooi. Beetje lipgloss. Nu gaan we lunchen. We're going to eat lunch at Barty's favorite place. Can I call you Barty? You hate it, I know.
Barty?
Yeah.
No, I like it.
Okay, last time you didn't like it. And yeah, we are in the city center. Hey guys, look! I'm here because I broke my ankle with dancing class. But yeah, I'm just going to Iceland. But I have this. Here,
No, it's
filming.
But I don't want to film.
It's funny.
Hi.
Okay, hi guys. We're now going, you have to tell them. It's good for the
It's
memory.
my job. But I don't like vlogging. I feel so awkward. But I wanted to start a YouTube channel, so maybe it's a good idea. Actually, it's nice.
Hi guys.
The broken one.
So now we're going to the place of, maybe you can tell the week plan. What we're going to do this week.
If the weather is good, as always, we will go to today to Golden Circle. Tomorrow to the south.
Reykjavik. And look, the colorful building houses. So nice. Yeah. And walking goes really good. On our way. To the first spot, right, of the Golden Circle. I then saw pictures on the internet, because I want to surprise myself, and I'm already so surprised because it's so beautiful. You already saw it, maybe. Oh my god. golden circle, and which plot is this?
This is Thingvellir. It's yeah. We are just about to go between the continents. Between the.
It's already between the continents.
Yeah.
Between USA and Iceland.
Between America and Europe, yeah.
Wow. Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, so to your right is the America continent plate, and
one.
yeah, and on the left is the Europe. Perfectly prepared for Iceland. A broken leg.
Yeah, shit happens. We have fish soup, Bartosz favorites. And Bartosz. Do you like it? Yum yum! We are now at the glacier and we are waiting for it to close.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Are you excited, Milo?
Yeah. I can walk better than I expected, so it's nice. Yeah. So we're going to the next destination, and that is the waterfall. What? Goodfoss. We're going to the Goodfoss. Wow, look how beautiful Iceland. Guys, I think every person have to go in his life to Iceland. What do you think, Bartosz?
Yeah, you're welcome. It's a beautiful country.
Yeah.
Beautiful things.
It's
terrible weather.
No, it's good weather today, right?
Usually it's...
I have to do my pass on. Bye, guys. Always do your belt on. Okay, guys, I want to talk with you. Okay, my leg is going good. Actually, I did paracetamol in my body and now it's good. Whee! Okay, bye. Guys, it's snowing. Amazing. Okay, now we're going to the waterfalls. And yeah, I'm so excited. And Bartosz also, but he is tired from driving. You guys know that I woke up at 3 AM. But I have ADHD, so my second battery is now on, you know? I have 2 batteries. So let's go to the waterfalls. Oh no! Okay, guys, I will quit. I have to be careful. Okay, I'm not going to say it because I'm not there yet. We're almost there.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Don't wanna overthink.
way to Bartosz's house. We had a really nice day. Yeah, we saw 3 spots. The first spot was really nice, but it was most hurting for my leg. The second, we had a delicious fish soup, and yeah, we saw the glaciers. And then we went to the waterfalls, and that was really spectacular. And for to rest, we went to the swimming pool, like secret lagoon. It was really relaxing. Look how amazing. Wait. Wow. We're going to pick up Bartosz's friends because they are also visiting Bartosz. And after that we're going to eat dinner at Bartosz's restaurant, where he works. Small city. Guys, look at the roads. Oh, now it's gone. You see they're doing salt.
No, they're closing the road.
Whoa, really? Guys, tomorrow, no, don't road trip. Zo, met stoelmaak.
Oh yeah. Despacito.
Hey guys, we are now in a restaurant and I'm not alone with Bartosz because we met Julia and Anya, right? Okay. Also from Poland, so nice. And we are now eating food at the place where you worked and Bartosz worked. So the last one. Ooh, you like it? Yeah. Good morning. We are now on our way to the south of Iceland. And where are we going? Yeah, I don't know what it is, but we will see. And yeah, we went to the groceries, we buy some foods, and now we are on my way. And so nice view. Guys, we're at the first destination at the waterfall. Oh my god, it's amazing. I will show you. It was a happy look. We are now at the waterfall. Wait a second. Look. Yay! We are now at the waterfall. It's so windy. It's so good. It's really nice. Tak fajnie jest. Teraz ja idę gadać po polsku, moja vlog. No teraz jestem w tym... Look how cool, look how cool.
So cold.
Yeah, it's cold for you? Yeah.
I hate winter, but
Bartosz, do you have to tell something about this waterfall?
Waterfall.
What's the name? Lampos. Wow. Oké, smokkruppertje. Cześć. Była... Okay, we were at... Wait, this better.
Yeah, it's better.
With
So,
Julia, jestem.
yeah, hi, I'm Julia. Yeah.
This is a famous actress.
No, not yet. Not yet. But
Becoming. And now, oh, it's so beautiful. Look.
yes,
Wow.
it's hot, but
Kom, idziemy
warm.
tutaj. Shots robić. Yes! So beautiful, oh my god. Yeah, right? Barty, Anya is driving the car. Julia is sitting in the back with Barty. And now we're going to the next place. And what's the next place, Bartosz?
It's also Waterfalls.
Waterfall Kalfos. I'm talking half Polish, half Dutch, half Polish, half English. All the time. It's funny. And it's so beautiful, guys. Oh my god, I think you have to go here. We have chocolate, but it is with drop. Okay, it's with drop. How do you say that in English?
Licorice.
Licorice. And we're going to try, because I don't know if I really like drop. It's like my favorite candy. But I don't know if I like it in chocolate. So we're going to try. I'll show you. Yeah, I taste
It's good.
actually yes. But it's a weird combination in my head.
Is it because in the Netherlands you don't eat them with chocolate?
Here.
Later. Okay, now my turn.
Here.
Polacy nie lubią lukracji.
I don't know. Chocolate is good, but I hate the
Polish people hate licorice.
Why? Wow, also one. Okay, we are now by this waterfall. What's the name? Skora Falls. I think that's the most beautiful of today. So it's really beautiful and cold and windy. We are now in the next destination. And what's the name of this?
I don't know.
Black Sand Beach Rijn Iskara. You can swim here in the summer?
No way, you are not swimming here. Never.
But in the summer?
Yes, I hear.
guys, we are at the Black Beach. Look, whoa, that's cool there. Whoa. Yeah. Why? Hello. Whoa, look how cool it is.
There.
Whoa, I didn't saw this. You don't see the waves are really big. bardzo ładne jest tutaj. Ja lubię Iceland, tak? Ja nie wiedziałam, Iceland jest tak ładny. No. I teraz jest, oh my god. But the water is, the waves are really heavy. I have to go by. It's heavy. You can see it. Oh, do you see it there? It's really dangerous. Big ice scalp. Ja, het water. Het is een beetje heel gevaarlijk. Je ook praten 10 talen door elkaar. Ik mag Chinees beginnen? Nee, grap. This Black Beach. So it's like they have charne, black sand, een zwarte zand. Sorry, ik weet even niet welke taal ik moet praten. Het stadje Widok, Patrz, no. Tego jest taki iglo, no iglo, ja nie wiem. Taki grot. No. I patrz, tutaj jest czarny sand, black sand. Look, I will show you guys this black sand. And in Iceland you have actually only black sand, but this beach is like touristic, like tourist. Okay, I'm with, oh my god, what's your name?
Paulina.
Paulina, and she lives in the city. Here she lives. Whoa.
We are lucky because it's not windy now.
Yes. And now we're going to eat something. I don't have my cooler, but I hope it's fine. What?
Slower.
Yeah, slow. Look how, whoa. Are you going often for a walk?
Sometimes, yeah. I love it actually.
And what do you prefer, winter or summer?
Summer. Summertime, definitely.
But I come back in the summer, I think.
I've
Not
never
this
been there in winter time.
Guys, this is a church. A mini church for the city. Wow. Here are my friends waiting for me because I'm really slow. You know I cannot walk. Now, we ordered food. I have a chicken waffle. It looks really good. And you guys have burgers. Hey guys, how are you doing? Okay, no. I'm so enthousiast. We zijn nu in Stemmen Terrace today in Vic. He was eating so good chicken waffle. Wow, was echt so fucking good. Here you can see the beach. Do you see it, guys? No, you don't see it, but anyway. Yeah, we are walking. It's so pretty. We just arrived, but we went to the apartment. But we want you to tell a really funny story.
Yes.
So
When me and Anya was in Poland, Bartek texted us to buy him Dwal. This is a popular McDonald's burger.
Tak.
And we took this burger to the airport and to the flight, and we show you.
yeah. No, Bartosz, pokaż.
Where is Dwal?
Look, show what they got for you. All from Poland. The big, what is this for burger? And Dwal. All from Poland. He has his burger. Wow. Such a good friends you are.
Yes, Bartek, hug us. Hug us for this.
So good friends. Ja mam też prezent. Poczekaj.
Akcja. Are you ready?
Moja mama ma prezent dla Bartosz.
Stroopwafel.
A tak. Moja mama stroopwafel. Oh, look how happy he is.
Stroopwafel.
O, i jest jeden, no tego ty wiesz.
Ja wiem. Mogę zobaczyć?
Tak.
Tak. O,
Oh, what is this?
to jest Shiva.
Nepal.
It's from Nepal.
Oh my god, so nice.
But you have to maybe books on it.
Yeah, I mean I have to put.
You can buy Bristol
Ah, yeah,
or
you can
something
do a
like
frame.
this.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh,
frame.
it's special. It's gonna be in a frame.
Yeah.
So you can use this
so
also
much.
to keep it together. So
I'll
yeah,
frame it.
yeah, it's my mom.
Aw, thank you.
Aww.
Hanna Malina.
Subscribe.